honorable teachers and my dear school fellow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I have got the opportunity to deliver a speech on this holy month of Ramadan. Dear students, fasting is one of Islam's five pillars. Allah says in Quran Kareem, O believer, you must fast in order to gain self-control. You are prescribed to fast for specific numbers of days. Their audience for the Muslim, the holy month of Ramadan is a very special time of a year during this holy month. Muslims will abstain from all the physical pleasures during the day. Fasting starts at the first rays of a night, strike horizons and stop at the sunset mostly. Eat the wheat before dawn starts to move. As then fast begins for all the day, Muslims break their fast at short meal known as iftar. Around sunset, when the sunset, this must be done as quickly as possible. The students, people are busy praying during this holy month of Ramadan. They refuse all the pressure of life. It is not only the fasting month, it is also a time to learn outside lie or cheating. But this month is not made for sleeping all the day. This month for Allah. Thank you.